Yes, hello everyone, welcome to next Femitech video tutorial. Now for this episode guys, I'm going to show you how to actually change the booting device or choose the booting device for this HP laptop. Now it is now on the screen where you can choose the booting device. So I'm going to show you exactly how to reach this screen. So basically let's come out of this screen. So the laptop is attempting to boot. Now I just want to simply power it down. I just simply want to show you how to actually reach the boot screen. So now the laptop is now powered down. So let's press the power button. Once you press the power button to power it up, then you're going to continuously pressing down on the F9 key. Right. So again, the procedure is that once the laptop is powered down, just simply power up the laptop, then continuously pressing the F9 key, and it will actually take you to this screen that is known as the boot manager, where it shows you the boot option menu. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Again, leave your comments in the comment section of the video, and of course share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.